Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the finals on internal anti-cheat integrity check failed error. Let's begin. If you haven't already, the finals is free to play. These are the platforms on Steam, Xbox, PlayStation 5, and GeForce Now. So try to download and let's begin fixing the error. Now, to fix the finals an internal anti-cheat integrity check failed error, all you're gonna do is update the game launcher and try to verify game files, because corrupted or missing game files can cause integrity check failures. Now, once you are on the finals, all you're gonna do is hover to your game library. All right, it's gonna be on Steam, Origin, or whatever platform that you use. That right click on the finals and select properties or equivalent, and look for an option to verify integrity of game files or repair game. All right, now if that doesn't work, you might want to try to reinstall the game, because I believe a complete reinstallment might be necessary if you uninstall the games through the launcher. Just delete any remaining game files in the installation directory, and after that, what will happen is you can reinstall the game from scratch. You might want to, after reinstalling the game, you might want to check for conflicting software. What I would normally do is temporarily disable the firewall settings and adjust it to make sure that it is not conflicting with the finals. Temporarily disable or whitelist the game to your antivirus settings and also to your firewall settings. Now, what I'm doing right now is I'm using Malwarebytes, so I'm gonna try to whitelist the finals here and adjust my settings to make sure that this certain antivirus is not conflict with the game's anti-cheat system. And again, check for any other security software that might interfere and adjust again its settings accordingly. Now, the next option that you can do is you might want to check forums and support community, like game-specific forums and pages that can provide additional solutions and updates. And the thing, what I recommend most is to join the official The Finals Discord server. As you can see, there are like a staggering 500,000 members, active users in the community who are more than glad to help you if you encounter the anti-cheat integrity check failed error. All I gotta do is ask the question, and most of the members might have encountered the same problem with like you, and they will be more than glad to give you more technical shooting steps and troubleshooting steps on how to fix this issue. Otherwise, you might wanna contact the Final Support Center. Here are some of the channels that you can reach them. Okay. And of course, that would only be the last steps if the issue persists, reaching out to the game support team for assistance, right? And after doing so, you might want to go here as well and disable any game overlay such as those from here in Discord, right? Because that could be a source of conflict. Some overlays and background applications can interfere with the game's anti-cheat system. Also, if you're using game overlays from the GeForce experience, so try to disable any game overlays if you're using that. All right, and from these you would be able to resolve the error. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.